We are heading to Menorca, so we're leaving Mallorca today.
The wind's picking up a bit now, doing like high 4s, low 5s. It's going really well. And what a gorgeous day.
Well, this is us saying goodbye to Mallorca. There is the eastern end of Mallorca, and we're just leaving.
But I have a couple of contingency anchorages not too far away, so should all work out, even if this one's super crowded. But fingers crossed that it isn't.
So we're on Menorca. And we're doing the Balearic Islands in the summer, search for an anchorage. It's busy, busy, busy.
And tonight it will be very rolly. I will take you up to the bow. But as you can see, we are... Well, as long as we're positioned like this, I'm happy. But once we're side to the waves, I will not be happy. Moon in the background.
Oh, look, it's a beautiful sky behind me.
Yeah,
I can see it on the little picture.
Yeah.
What a brilliant image that is. It must be great.
Just a bit of a rolly anchorage.
Tiddly-tad rolly, the anchorage.
But what to do in a rolly anchorage? Drink beers.
Relax is the answer, isn't it? So we're anchored in this bay, well, it's barely a bay in fact. Anchored in this very open roadstead anchorage off of Menorca. And as you might notice, it's quite gusty. And that was a very minor gust, some of them are a lot stronger than that. And it's forecast to be gusty today and tomorrow. Some forecasts have tomorrow being stronger, some have tomorrow being less. Holding is good, and obviously it's coming straight off of the beach there, so very, very little in the way of fetch, which is the distance that the wind blows over the water to build waves. So the sea is basically flat, which is great. In that respect, it's a very good spot for it. And so we've got these 2 days of wind. Wednesday's supposed to be calm-ish, but there's still some mistrals, and the mistral is the wind that blows from southern France down through the gap between the Balearic Islands and Corsica and Sardinia, pretty much, and can get very strong and builds very big, uncomfortable seas. So there's a lot of mistral about, has been for the last week, still going on. And Hazel and I, we're in a situation now where we have an appointment, and we'd really like to get across to Corsica, where it's a place where we can leave the boats and fly back for Hazel's appointment. And we've been trying. We wanted to cross last week, but the weather just wasn't suitable, and we're still trying. We're here poised. This is our jump off place to go to cross. Forecast looking possible for Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It's about 250 miles, so 3 days certainly, if we make good progress. Could be longer. So it's all a little bit stressful in truth. The Balearic Islands, I don't want to complain because they're beautiful, and you see this location here, it's delightful, but they're very, very busy and consequently very expensive, and leaving a boat here somewhere would be prohibitively expensive, perhaps we could say. Whereas Corsica, we could leave the boats for a reasonable price, a reasonable fee, so we just need to get there. And so we're now a little bit stressed. We're looking at the weather forecast every time it comes out, and at the moment, recently, the weather forecasts have been getting a bit worse as we get nearer the date. It did look great for that Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Winds got a little bit stronger in the forecast, and we'll see how it progresses. We've got another 5 forecasts to come. They come morning and evening, and we'll see what comes of it. Meanwhile, we're holding fast here, all looking pretty good. Bit grey and overcast. Temperature's a little bit down, which is not a bad thing. And yawing a bit. We're sitting pretty well here, really. And last night, when we arrived, the waves were coming in from offshore onto the beach, so the other way around, and they were quite big swells, and so it was very, very rolly. Except it's one of the great things about this boat design. Tapatya really doesn't roll at anchorage, and that's a great thing, which makes it very, very comfy in uncomfortable anchorages. You know, there could be the exceptional roll, but rarely rolls at anchor. It's a wonderful thing about this boat design. It was about 3:30 in the morning. 30 odd knot gusts regularly blasting through the anchorage here. It's impossible to sleep. This is the joys of boat life in a gusty anchorage. Oh man, I got a little bit of sleep early on, and then I've been awake for a good while now. They come through pretty regularly, these gusts, and yeah, not very pleasant really. Oh well, just gonna sit it out. Seem to be holding well. So we're into day 2 of the gusty stuff, gusting 32, 33 knots, average gust last night, so that was fairly blowy. It's settled down a bit now. The forecast is 29 knot gusts at the moment, and it's supposed to actually settle down this afternoon, so it'll be great when it's gone. There's some nice sort of spells between that is quite pleasant, and then you get rows of gusts for whatever, 10, 15, 20 minutes, blow you around all over the place. And this is part of the cruising life, of course. You know, it's a good anchorage, the water's flat because it's coming off the shore, but it's exhausting, you know, and bad night's sleep last night. It's just very difficult to sleep in those gusts, and feeling it today. And of course we're also getting ready. We've got one more day here which should be calm, and we're getting ready then to do a long trip, so you know, it can be exhausting. Not that I wish to sit here and complain, but it's sometimes not the easiest lifestyle.
So we are still in this nice anchorage in Menorca right now. It's been pretty windy the last couple of days, and I've been fairly busy with work as well, so I haven't really got off the boat. That will change today. There's a shop about an hour's walk away, and Dad and I are gonna row ashore and go for a little walk to the shop. Yeah. Should be fun, I guess. But yeah, it's I need to pre-provision if we look at the dismal state of my fruit basket. That is not looking like a complete meal or two. I feel like I could make one out of it. So that is all about to change. I want to have a little bit of food for our crossing to Corsica. Ooh, I feel like I've been threatening with this one a while, and it has not yet happened. But the weather's looking good for tomorrow and the next couple days, so if it stays like this, I think we're gonna go for it tomorrow. Sadly, Aina's gone, so I end up having to do it alone after all. It is, so that's fine. I will manage. But yeah, first of all, a bit of a reprovisioning run. Let's go.
Yeah, so looking at the weather models, and the PWG has it lighter, I believe, and the European mid-range. But both of them are fine.
Both look good, yeah.
Yeah, and the wave forecast is not too bad. It's a metre or so or less. Not over a metre. A metre's the most you'll get according to the forecast. Yeah.
Like in the med, just the waves are so short.
Well, aren't they? So close together. Yeah, so close together. So it's a metre is actually quite choppy, isn't it? But anyway, we know we can deal with it. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. So, just going ashore for the first time since we've been here.
Yeah.
I should be careful filming because I think there's a bit of naturist stuff, but most people I see here seem to have cozies on, so probably good.
Yeah.
And we're going to try and hike to the shop, aren't we?
Exactly.
Which is a good distance.
Way.
Yeah.
I'm taking some recycling with me.
All right, good.
I'm just seeing something.
Cormorant, yeah, there's a few cormorants around. Still a little gusty, and over 18 knots the gust, and few and far between. But, we sat through 32, 34 knot gusts yesterday, so these aren't going to be an issue. Yeah, some of them were more. Yeah, that was the average, wasn't it? But it's all very lovely, isn't it? This is Menorca, nice little anchorage, and it's been good for us. We've sheltered well out of the wind.
Yeah.
So we've come ashore on Menorca first time because it's been too windy to get ashore. It looks very lovely at the moment, and we're going to take a walk into the village and visit the village shop. A lovely little trail this is.
I never heard cicadas as loud as that. Super cool. The trail.
What a beautiful gate. That is really lovely. It is, isn't it? And it's also hinged so that it shuts through gravity. Very, very good. Catch works.
The view of the gate. Good gate.
It's a beautiful gate, that.
Yeah, 5 stars.
Very rural. I really like what I see in Menorca. The field of prickly pear and the field of a mule, I think, isn't it? A mule by the looks of it. This is a mule, this one, aren't you?
It's got very long ears.
It's kind of horse-like, isn't it? Some sort of hill forty sort of thing. Dry stone. It's on the outskirts of the village here. The rucksack looks a bit heavier, Hazel.
Yeah, it is.
What you got in there?
All sorts of goodies.
All sorts of goodies. Hiked to the supermarket, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
And it was quite good, actually.
Yeah, it was small, but they had a good selection.
Decent selection, yeah. So all sorts of snacks and goodies for the trip, eh? easy cook stuff and whatever for the next few days of sailing. So it's a big one today. We are attempting to cross to Corsica, which is about 250 miles from here. It will be 2 nights at sea, certainly at least 2 nights at sea, 3 days. Long trip to single hand, obviously, and I think the key really is to see that we're fed, or I, in this case it's only me here, I'm fed, watered, and in plentifully, and then the tricky one's getting enough sleep. I'll try and get enough sleep. Anyhow, got the boat ready, electric's on, the motor electric's on, coffee is made in the pot, TP is in position ready to go, swim ladder's up, put the railings on there, and tied it up, stowed away, and in the next 10 minutes when Hazel's ready, we'll be hauling up the anchor and getting going. It's a sunny one, forecast to be light winds today, new forecast up, checked that already. Tomorrow, Saturday, we should get some sailing breeze, maybe a bit today, but not much today, I don't think. Could be motoring quite a lot today. But we've been waiting for ages for a window, and this is the only 3-day window that has been, and this is it. We're going for it. It's exciting.
So, just left the anchorage in Menorca and could get the sails up straight away. That was wonderful, but there's definitely some land influences here. The wind strength is very changeable. I had full sail up just now because it was fairly light, and then suddenly a gust comes, as they do, and I'm doing 7 knots. So I took 1 reef in the foresail. We'll see how that continues on. But yeah, big picture, we are crossing to Corsica, if all goes well, knock on wood, which means at least 2 nights at sea. It's Thursday today, hopefully we'll get in on Saturday evening, because it's 250 miles, we'll see. The wind direction is also quite changeable, so yeah, I've got to keep an eye on that. But yeah, hopefully it will be a good crossing. I think the first day might be fairly light, even though I'm not getting that impression just yet. But yeah, it's a bit gusty right now, so I'm just gonna keep an eye on everything and talk to you guys later.
Well, it's a very good start. We're sails up straight away and sailing at 5 knots right now. So bit after the beam, no on the beam. It's Hazel over there. A lot of boats out actually, quite a few. Very, very nice so far. Long may that continue.